Welcome to the captivating realm of white noise Siddhar world. Vensapta Siddhar Bhumi. Here, you are embraced by a profound vision drawn from the ancient teachings of Tamil Siddhas, guiding us through the challenges of our time and illuminating the path of self discovery and cosmic connection. As you immerse yourself in this transformative odyssey, your heart will be filled with wonder and reverence. Delve deep into your being, embrace the captivating beauty that surrounds you, and witness the marvels of the world. In this realm, the pursuit of beauty and goodness is cherished, igniting sparks of joy and inspiration within you. Education and diverse experiences shape our souls in this realm. Your mind thirsts for knowledge while your heart overflows with excitement. Embark on a relentless quest for understanding, perpetually amazed by the vastness of the universe and your place within it. Here, knowledge is treasured like a precious gem, infusing you with purpose and self realization. Each insight and discovery brings you closer to the core of your existence, evoking deep fulfillment and contentment. You are on a path of self discovery and higher enlightenment interwoven into your very being. In this remarkable realm, you will find kindred spirits united in the journey of growth and self discovery. The connections you forge and the experiences you share will create a profound sense of belonging and fulfillment. Together, you contribute to the greater good, knowing that your efforts shape a harmonious and enlightened world. Within white noise in the world, extraordinary phenomena coexist in perfect harmony. From Pungavyam, conceived care for the East, to Milirkanagam, managing ageless, Akamalai Pirisal, rejuvenation with herbs, Azure Resorts, abode amidst woods, Cosmos Planetarium, peeping the planets and weaving the valleys, Samaram towards best ecological succession, Apex Academy of Parasports, Education, Career and Self-Advocacy, and more. These endeavors stand as testament to pursuit of higher enlightenment through karmic work. The adage, Ora et Libera, resonates deeply in this realm as individuals consecrate themselves to the divine through purposeful action. It is with immense pleasure that we welcome you to this captivating realm of white rice Siddhar world, Vensapta Siddhar Bhumi. Let your heart be filled with wonder as we embark on this remarkable journey together, embracing wisdom, self-discovery, and the pursuit of beauty and goodness. May this journey be transformative, enlightening, and bring you profound fulfillment.